Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Khalids Biriyani located in Chennai. As you can see here, they have openings for different positions like a restaurant manager, restaurant supervisor, cook or chef, captain, cashier, waiter, waitress and kitchen assistant helper. So these are the job vacancies available, and if you are interested you can drop your resume on this mail ID, and if you have any queries regarding this notification you can reach out to them with the given contact number. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and if you have any queries please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.